Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to duplicate objects infinitely without using up much storage. So this is what it's going to look like when you normally duplicate your objects. As you can see in the bottom right corner, you can see the storage is being used up quite a bit, and it kind of adds up very, very fast. So I'm going to be showing you how to minimize how much storage you're using by a lot. So what you're going to want to do is select your object that you have. And once you have it selected, click N for a new collection. And then you can name it whatever you want to, but I'm not going to name it for the purpose of this video. And then you're going to click Shift A to add in a collection and then select the collection that you had previously. And now when you click Shift D, you'll see that the storage is hardly being used to like the minimum. And if you found this useful at all, or if you have any questions or concerns or thoughts for future videos, don't forget to comment down below. And thanks for watching.